What did they do this MC? Let's go! Let's go. All this one watch this way now. Hey, what? Move back, sir, because we're going to get there. Move back, sir, please. Let's move back, sir, please. Anti-excuse now. On a sort of thing, they don't know when you're more. You supposed to Nigerian. Suppose drink for the Let's go. This way. Let's move. Papa.
Mr. Yosh in the building. I can thank Mr. Yosh in the building. You know? Yes, sir. Okay, Senior. Okay, Senior. Yes, sir. Yeah. I can say Mr. and Mrs. Johnson in the building. Yes, sir.
Oh, Papa, remove your hand. Papa, remove your hand.
Okay, same here.
Let's go.
You're the one I want to hold before my liver start to fail. You're the one I need, oh, before cause I will start to hate. And if I ever leave, oh, make what I carry me to go far away, far away. Say I am looking for a sister, show my lover. She get the dollar, she did with the sun. Say I am looking for a sister, show my lover. She get the dollar. She say give me assurance, assurance. Give my baby assurance, give my baby lifetime insurance. Give me assurance, assurance. Give my baby assurance, give my baby lifetime insurance. Say biggie, biggie, heavy, heavy. Baby, they want me. No. Oh. Love is sweet, oh. When money enter, love is sweet. Pepper that story. So brother man go got the liver, call a little. Tell her make she come to go far away, far away. Say I am looking for a sister, show my lover. She ain't that love.
All the way from Netherlands.
You're welcome.
Mr. Meno, thank you. Mr. Yosh, thank you.
There's a million ways you back up here. You could take a million one. So what I can do, I just keep on making $1 million before the project. We took one no check out for month for what I don't
if you really are not going ezi ọzọ bụ ezigbo ezi ọzọ abụrụ ezigbo nke obodo si ọgwụ mana ezi anyị n'ụlọ abụrụ ezi mmiri gari unu nwere nye anyị nwere enye unu na-aka ejiri anyị ọrụ kwụrụ ya nna anyị nwadị akpọpụta na agidi ịmara na ụmụ ndị abụọ chọọ ike nweta eme ya na London anyị amarọ ọgbọna ya ọ sị na baya nata ebe na ya bịa mee ka udo duru gị ị ga-eru toli na mebiri ya ị ga-eru toli ya ọmanụ gafịa ịchọ ka isi wede ya njọ ọya mozi mụ ozu ọya ọ bụ okunu ọta niile bịara akpọkọ ugbu a igbo nwere onye aya aka n'ụbọdụ ya n'aka mbụ na ọzọ
así no tiene que cuadro, ni que lo tiene un monaca, pero no tiene cuadro. Ahora es para bueno. Thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen. All right, ladies and gentlemen. The couple is about to cut the cake now. Yeah. And the pronunciation of Jesus, they cut the cake. Hey.
This is a very special occasion.
Jesus, cut the cake.
No.
Thank you. Alright. Immediate families. Everybody will come. Immediate families.
I'm Simon Teunissen and I'm very excited and happy to have my traditional marriage with Ijoma Oligbo today. I love her very much and I've loved her since the day I met her in London. We went to a cocktail bar together and then to another pub and just chatted all night, and I just knew she was the woman for me. I promise her to love her as long as I can, or as long as I can, my whole life, to take care of her in the good times and in the bad times, and always be there for her whenever she needs me, and cherish her how much I can.
My name is Ijeoma Obiagele Olibo, and I met my husband, who is called Simon, in a cocktail bar in London by Oxford Circus, and it was a very lovely evening whereby we drank lots of very strange cocktails and had very interesting conversation. And almost 5 years later, we are here in Ogidi in Anambra, about to celebrate our traditional marriage, which we call Ibanku. One of the first things that made me fall in love with my husband is the fact that he is just such a sweet human, a person that is always willing to learn and is very curious, and above all, he cares for me in ways that, you know, even ask for. He'll do things without me asking, and surprising me with romantic gestures. And I know that no matter what, he's always there to support me. And so I hope that in our marriage that I can help him in the same way, to support him in the same way that he supports me. You know, he balances me to be more relaxed, more laid back, and to have different views on my life. So I hope that I can offer the same to him, the same security, the same support, and the same love that he's been showing me for almost 5 years.